Good morning. This is not an adventure today. This is just us making it through the season. January through April is really busy time of year for us, so we don't have a lot of time to do extra stuff. So this is just us. Today I'm making applesauce. This is really easy. We like homemade applesauce better than buying it from the store. There are no preservatives, no extra water, no extra sugar. It's really easy, but it's kind of a pain because it just takes so long to peel all of the apples. Lisa's can help me today, so that will make things go quicker. I usually buy 2 bags of apples at a time to do this, just because although it's really easy, it is a bit of a pain. So make as much as we can and then put it in the freezer for whenever we're ready. I have the slow cooker out because I've been making soup for lunch today. So I've got this 3 cooker. I think we got this from Sam's some time back, but since we're using one for the soup, I'm going to use the other 2 for the apples. And all I'm going to do is cut the apples, put them in the slow cooker for several hours, and we'll be good to go. In the past, we have used the peels and the cores to make apple jelly, but we found we didn't eat it, so there doesn't seem to be any point. We filled our first crock pot. These are gala apples. We're just cutting and coring them, cutting them into 4, and they'll just cook down slowly. Sometimes in the store, with the store ones, you get added water. These really don't need any water. They'll just cook in their own juice once they get started. So it's really simple. It's just apples. At the end, I'll usually add some cinnamon. I'll take some out for Lisa because she doesn't usually eat the cinnamon. She doesn't mind eating the cinnamon, but she prefers to have it without. So I'll take a little out for her and store that separately. And then these will just cook down. I'll mix cinnamon with the rest. We're just using the gala apples, the big bag from Sam's. It's been a few hours and I ended up having to split this between the 3 containers because there was just too many apples for one, but this one had just the least amount of apples in and it's all done already. Let's see if I can show you that. Oops. It's a little warm still, so it's all good. I probably will just leave this one for Lisa because I won't put any cinnamon in it. And I'm not quite sure if the others are done or not. Let me see if I can mash those. Oh yeah, that looks pretty well done. I've just got my potato masher, and as I said, the only thing in here is apples. We'll see how this one is doing. This one may be done too. Yeah. I just cooked these on low until the juice started to flow so that they didn't get burned on the bottom, and then I turned them up to high for a little bit. I think we started, when did we start this? We started about lunchtime, and it's nearly 6 o'clock now, so it's been a little while. So I'm just going to put some cinnamon in here this one. Just a good shake. And mash that all in together. And then we're done. I'll wait for it to cool. Put it in some Rubbermaid containers and put it in the freezer for when we're ready for it. Thanks for joining me. I know you can't see me, but I can't focus on this and me at the same time, so do give us a thumbs up if you've liked it. Subscribe below, and we'd love it if you join us the next time. Bye!